So now we are going to learn what is basically prime number. Prime number is a number which we can divide only by the number itself or by 1. So what is prime number? A number which we can divide by itself or by 1. Which we can divide by itself or by 1. It cannot be divisible by any other number. Prime number is a number which we can divide only by itself or by 1. Now, whatever number we can divide by any other number, they are known as composite number. So, now let's check which are the prime number between 1 to 100. How we can find out the prime numbers very easily between 1 to 100. Okay. So, first 1. We cannot divide 1 by any other number. We can divide 1 by 1. But 1 is not a prime number, neither a composite number. So just leave 1 from this table. This is not a composite number nor a prime number. Let's start with 2. So 2. We can divide 2 by 2 itself or by 1. So 2 is a prime number because we can't divide 2 by any other number. So 2 is a prime number. Now let's check 3. 3 is also divisible by 3 and by 1. 3 is not divisible by any other number. So 3 is also a prime number. So 2 and 3 are prime number. Now 4. 4 is easily divisible by 2. So 4 is not a prime number because we can divide 4 by 2 by other numbers. So 4 is not a prime number. Next 5. We can divide 5 by 5 itself or by 1. So 5 is a prime number. We cannot divide 5 by any other number. Next 6. We can easily divide 6 by 2 and 3. So 6 is not a prime number. Now 7. We cannot divide 7 by any other number. We can divide 7 only by 7 or by 1. So 7 is a prime number. 8. We can divide 8 by 2 easily. We can divide 9 by 3 easily. And we can divide 10 by 2 and 5 very easily. So, how many prime numbers are there between 1 to 10? Only 4 prime numbers are there. 2, 3, 5 and 6. Between 1 to 10, how many prime numbers are there? Only 4. 2, 3, 5 and 6. They are the prime numbers between 1 to 10. Now, whatever numbers are ends, 2 is a prime number, but whatever numbers ends with 2 like 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92, they are not prime numbers because they all are divisible by 2. So they are not prime numbers. So that 2 is a prime number, but whatever numbers ends with 2, they are not prime numbers. So just cross those numbers. Now let's 4. Talk about the 4. 4 is completely divisible by 2. So 4 is not a prime number. And whatever numbers are end with 4, they are also not a prime number because they all are divisible by 2. So whatever numbers ends with 4, just cross it down. They all are divisible by other number. They are not prime number. Now 5. 5 is a prime number. We cannot divide 5 any other number. But whatever number ends with 5, we can easily divide all of them by 5. So whatever numbers ends with 5, they are not prime number. Just cross it. They are not prime number. Okay, so 5 is a prime number, but whatever number ends with 5, they are not prime number. Now 6. 6 is not a prime number. We can easily divide 6 by 2 and 3. And whatever number ends with 6, they are also not prime number. Now 7. 7 is a prime number. Maybe the number ends with 7. Maybe they are prime number or some of them are not prime number. I will discuss later. Okay, 8. 8 is completely divisible by 2 and whatever numbers ends with 8, they are also completely divisible by 2. So just cross all the numbers whichever are end with 8. Okay, so just cross all the numbers. They are not prime numbers. Now 9. 9 is not a prime number. 9, we can divide 9 by 3. But maybe the numbers ends with 9. Maybe they can be prime number. And now let's check 10. 10 is not a prime number. And whatever numbers ends with 0, we all know they are completely divided by 5 or 10. So just cross all the number, whatever number ends with 0. Just cross all of them. So which ones are left? The numbers end with 1, 3, 7 and 9. So if anyone asks you that how many prime numbers are there between 10 to 20, 10 to 20, whatever number you are going to check, you only check 4 numbers. The numbers end with 1, 3, 7 and 9. Now let's check 11. We cannot divide 11 by any other number. 11 is only divisible by 11 or by 1. So 11 is a prime number. 11 is a prime number. Let's check 13. We cannot divide 13 by any other number. So 13 is also a prime number. Next 17. We cannot divide 17 by any other number. So 17 is also a prime number. 19. We cannot divide 19 by any other number. So 19 is also a prime number. So how many numbers you have to check? If anybody asks you how many prime numbers are there between 10 to 20, only you have to check 4 numbers. Whatever numbers are end with 1, 3, 7 and 9. The numbers end with 1, 3, 7 and 9. You just check those numbers only. Okay, so now let's check how many prime numbers are there between 21 to 30. So how many numbers you have to check? The numbers end with 1, 3, 7 and 9. So 21, 23, 27 and 29. And we know that 21 is the multiple of 3. We can easily divide 21 by 3. So just cross it. It is not a prime number. Next 23. We cannot divide 23 by any other number. Okay. So 23 is a prime number. Next 27. We can easily divide 27 by 3. This is a multiple of 3. Just cross it. 27 is not a prime number. Now let's check 29. 29, we cannot divide 29 by any other number. 29 is only divisible by 29 and by 1. So we cannot divide it by 2, by 3. Basically we have to check are they the multiple of 2 or 3 or 5 or 7. If any one of them are the multiple of 2, 3, 5 or 7, then they are not prime numbers. They can be divided by others numbers, so they are not a prime number. But here 23 and 29, we cannot divide 23 and 29 by any other number, so they are the prime numbers. So how many prime numbers are there between 20 and 30? Only 2 prime numbers are there, 23 and 29. Now let's check how many prime numbers are there between 30 to 40. So which number we have to check? The numbers end with 1, 3, 7 and 9. That means 31, 33, 37 and 39. Okay. So let's first check 31. We can't divide 31 by 2, by 3, by 5 or 7. So 31 is divisible only by 31 and by 1. So 31 is a prime number. Next 33. We can easily divide 33 by 3. 33 by 3. So this is not a prime number. Just cross it. Next 37. We cannot divide 37 by any other number. We cannot divide 37 by 2. This is not a multiple of 2 or 3 or 5 or 7. So 37 is a prime number. Next 39. We can easily divide 39 by 3. Okay. So 39, just cross it, 39. So how many prime numbers are there between 30 to 40? Only two prime numbers are there, 31 and 37. Now let's check how many prime numbers are there between 40 to 50. 40 to 50. Again we have to check the numbers whatever are end with 1, 3, 7 and 9. So 41, 43, 47 and 49. Now let's check 41. We cannot divide 41 by any other number. So 41 is a prime number. 41 is a prime number. Let's check 43. Is 43 is a multiple of 2, 3, 5 or 7? No, we cannot divide 43 by any other number. So 43 is also a prime number. Let's check 47. We cannot divide 47 by any other number. We can divide 47 by the 47 or by 1. So 47 is also a prime number. But 49, this is the multiple of 7. So just cross it. 49 is not a prime number. So how many prime numbers are there between 40 to 50? Only 3. 41, 43 and 47. Okay. Now let's check. How many prime numbers are between 50 to 60? Whatever number you have to check, only the numbers whatever are end with 1, 3, 7 and 9. So 51, 53, 57 and 59. And here 51 is completely divisible by 3. Okay, so just cross it. Next, check 53. We cannot divide 53 by any other number. We cannot divide 53 by any other number. So 53 is a prime number. Now 57. 57 is also a multiple of 3. We can easily divide 57 by 3. So just cross it. Let's check for 59. 59 is not divisible by any other number. We can divide 59 only by 59 or by 1. So 59 is a prime number. So how many prime numbers are between 50 to 60? Only 2. 53 and 59. Now let's check how many prime numbers are there between 61 to 70. So 61. We cannot divide 61 by any other number. So 61 is a prime number. Next 63. 63. We can easily divide 63 by 3. So just cross it. Now 67. We cannot divide 67 by any other number. So this is a prime number. 63. 63 we can easily divide by 3. So 69 we can easily divide 69 by 3. So 69 is not a prime number. So how many prime numbers are there between 61 to 70? Only 2. 61 and 67. Let's check 71 to 80. Okay. 71 to 80. So 71, 73, 77 and 79. Let's check. 71 is only divisible by 71 and by 1 itself. 71 is a prime number. Next 73. We cannot divide 73 by any other number. So 73 is also a prime number. Next 77. 77 is a multiple of 7. Just cross it. Next 79. We cannot divide 79 by any other number. So 71, 73 and 79 are prime number. Now let's check 81 to 90. 81, whatever number we have to check, 81, 83, 87 and 89. And 81 is completely divisible by 3 or by 9. So just cross it. Now let's 83. We cannot divide 83 by any other number. So 83 is a prime number. Let's check 87. 87. We can easily divide 87 by 3. So just cross it. Now next 89. We cannot divide 89 by any other number. So 89 is a prime number. Okay, so 83 and 89, they both are the prime number between 81 to 90. Now let's check 91 to 100. So 91, which is easily divided by other numbers, so 91 is not a prime number. Okay, now 91 is completely divisible by 7. So 91 is not a prime number. Now let's check 93. This is completely divisible by 3. So just cross it. Next 97. 97, we cannot divide 97 by any other number. So 97 is a prime number. And 99, this is completely divisible by 9. So just cross it. So 97 is only the prime number between 91 to 100. So these are the prime number between 1 to 100. Among them, 1 is not a prime number or not a composite number. And 2 is a prime number, but whatever number ends with 2, they are not prime number. Okay, 5 is a prime number, but whatever numbers end with 5, they are not prime numbers. So this way you can find the prime number very easily. Whenever you have to find a prime number between 10 to 20 or 20 to 30 or 30 to 40, only you have to check 4 numbers. The numbers ends with 1, 3, 7 and 9. Whatever numbers ends with 1, 3, 7 and number, only these 4 numbers you have to check, are they able to divide by any other number or not. If they can divide it by other number, then they are not prime numbers. If they are not able to divide by any other numbers, then they are the prime numbers. Okay. So if anyone asks you how many prime numbers are there between 20 to 30, then whatever number you are going to check, only 21, 23, 27 and 29. Only you have to check these 4 numbers. The numbers ends with 1, 3, 7 and 9. And among them 21 is completely divisible by 3. So this is not a prime number. 23 is only divisible by 23 or by 1, so this is a prime number. 27, we can easily divide 27 by any other number, so 27 is not a prime number. And 29, we can divide 29 only by 29 and 1 itself. And similarly, if anyone asks you how many prime numbers are between 30 to 40, whatever number you have to check, only 4 numbers, 31, 33, 37 and 39. Similarly, 40 to 50, which number you are going to check? 41, 43, 47 and 49. So, you just have to check 4 numbers. The numbers ends with 1, 3, 7 and 9. 1, 3, 7 and 9. You just have to check these 4 numbers between 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 20 to 30. Are they divisible by any other number or not? Okay. So in this way you can find out prime numbers very easily.